in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this powerful hair treatment that has helped me to grow my hair longer and thicker. So if you're experiencing slow growth, like your hair has been at one length for years, your hair is not growing thick, you're just stuck at one position with your hair, or you're experiencing excessive shedding, postpartum shedding, then this video is for you, as I'm going to be showing you the treatment that has helped thousands of women grow their hair longer and thicker. So guys, as you can see here, we've got lots and lots of herbs. We've got hibiscus, fenugreek, rosemary, star anise, and many more. But in this video, we are going to be using just 4 herbs, and to begin, we are using rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves is a new rice water, guys. Like, rosemary leaves has helped thousands, millions of people to grow their hair. It has helped them to solve their hair issue. Is it dandruff? Is it hair thinning? Is it alopecia? Is it scalp psoriasis? Rosemary has been doing the Lord's work, as I will call it, and it is very, very great for hair growth. On my channel, I have a rosemary water before and after result, and it was really, really amazing. So you can check out that video. Check the description box for the link to that video. So guys, as you can see in the video, I use rosemary, cloves, fenugreek, and hibiscus. Combining these 4 powerful herbs together is going to make this treatment super, super effective. And after combining my ingredients, I went in with hot water, and I'm just adding enough, and then I go ahead to give it a stir, and I'm just going to cover it up, and I'm going to be telling you what to do next, so do not go away. At this point, guys, I would like you to please like this video. If we can get this video to 100 likes, I'll be very, very grateful. So I'm going to infuse this overnight to get all the benefits. Remember, the longer you infuse your oil or your spray, the more potent it will be. So this is the next day, guys, and I'm loving the results already. My spray is looking darker right now, and the fenugreek has doubled in size. And guys, if you don't want your spray to be too concentrated, like you don't want it to be too dark, you can reduce the amount of hibiscus, and if you want it more darker, then you can increase the amount of hibiscus. And this spray is great in removing gray hair. Like, it is going to remove your gray hair in just few times of using it. And because we are using just the spray, I'm just going ahead to strain it to separate the particles from the spray. And this is what we have, guys. I'm actually going to add more hot water and let this infuse overnight again. So you can decide to do same, or you can just go ahead and discard. To extend the shelf life of this spray, at this point you can go ahead and add in some essential oil if you're not going to be putting it in the fridge. As for me, I'm going to be leaving mine in the fridge, so I'm not using any essential oil, as I'm going to be using my hair growth oil after the application. And guys, this is what our spray looks like. You can see how potent it's looking. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into my applicator bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this and what to do after using it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're watching without subscribing, guys, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the subscribe button and do well to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when there's a new video on this channel. So guys, there are two methods in applying this spray. You can either use it as a leave-in spray or you can use it as a tea rinse. I personally like to use it as a leave-in spray to get all the benefits stuck in my hair, so I don't always rinse out my hair. For people who are concerned about the stain, like you don't want to change your hair color, or maybe you have colored hair and you don't want this to interfere with the color of your hair, maybe it's temporary dye or something, and you just don't want this spray to interfere with the color, so just use this as a tea rinse. All you have to do is after your wash day, like after you've shampoo and condition your hair, just use this to rinse your hair, leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, and after that go ahead and rinse it out without using any shampoo. If you're suffering from postpartum shedding, also use this as a leave-in spray. Do not rinse it out, use it as a leave-in spray, and ensure to go in with hair butter after using spray, because most people always complain of their hair being dry after using this spray. That's because you don't seal in moisture. This is spray which is going to leave your hair dry, so always ensure to seal in moisture using hair butter or hair growth oil. This spray is very effective because of the ingredients we use. The ingredients we use are very effective in treating hair issues. It is great in treating dandruff, promoting hair growth, stopping hair loss, and just generally giving you that healthy hair you desire. So this is a spray you should try out, and you're definitely going to find it very, very helpful. And as you can see here guys, I'm using my hair growth oil to seal in moisture. This hair growth oil was made on this channel. I'm going to link the video in the description box, so always ensure to check out the description box for additional details. And after applying the oil, I'm going to go ahead and massage my scalp. Like I always say, massaging your scalp is very essential because it promotes blood circulation, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. And also ensure your scalp is always clean at all time, because a healthy scalp will always promote healthy hair growth. Guys, I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share it, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. And at this point, I'm going to leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video.